Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be making this tasty beef kebabs. They're so simple to make yet so delicious. If you'd like to know how to make them, stay tuned. All the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe are included at the beginning of the video. So I started by adding all my dry ingredients into my beef. You can switch up the spices however you like to your preference. But I added these spices here, and then once that was done, I went ahead and added my onion into a food processor, and I went ahead and blitzed that for a little while. Once that's done, you want to strain the liquid off of your onion and then add it into the beef mixture, and then also add in 1 egg and the rest of the veggies. Blitz those as well, or blend those as well, and then add them in. I also added in some olive oil, and then you're gonna want to knead it very well to make sure all the spices are well combined. This consistency is what we're looking for. Now, once that was done, go ahead and wet your hands with some olive oil or water, and then shape them into this shape, or you can make them round if you would like. But once that's done, preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and then you're going to want to bake these for about 35 minutes. To go with my meatballs, I'm going to be making some tzatziki sauce. So I went ahead and started by grating my cucumbers, and then we're going to be draining the juice out of this as well. To the sauce, we're also going to be adding in some Greek yogurt, some plain Greek yogurt, and some fresh dill. I also added in garlic, lemon, and salt to taste. And don't forget that liquid gold. This is what you should have after 35 minutes. Your kebab should be ready. Now for this recipe, I wanted to recreate a CAVA-inspired bowl. So I served mine with some cucumber that I diced up, some corn, some pickled onions that I made, and I'll link the recipe down below. I also added some olives and that tzatziki sauce. You can get as creative as you would like. You can add some chickpeas for added protein. You can add some avocado for some good fats. The ideas are endless, so get creative. There you have it, you guys. Just like that, you have a beautiful, healthy, protein-packed bowl. If you've made it this far into the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you get to try this recipe, let me know how you like it down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye!